All right, welcome back. It's been a minute, but I figure I'm going to get back into things and just take it easy this video and see about this. I've seen this before, but I figure this can make a fun video. He becomes Superman. Everybody else gets a block of kryptonite. I'll do it. Girl of your dreams, but a friend dies. You could have saved him, but didn't. No, died in 5 years. No, I don't think I'll take it. You're blind, but you can hear as good as a bat, smell as good as a dog, have a voice like Beyonce. Uh, I don't know. I'm not sure I'd give up my sight for that. Richest person, but it breaks in a week. Hmm. Yeah, I'll take it. I mean, Jeff Bezos and people are pretty rich. I feel like I could keep just breaking this or buying stuff the rest of my life and it'd be just fine. Marry the person of my dreams. Lose? I'm going to lose my best friend? No. No sickness. Always lonely. Nah. Unlimited money. No, I'm not going to kill someone for it. Yeah, I'll take that. Invisible, it would be like you have never existed. No. Teleport. Yeah, I'll take it. Dream job. Okay, every time I see someone attractive, I'll start screaming. Uh, no. Oh, Batman's gadgets. He kills my parents and my dog. No. So people will always believe me, and I start losing my mind. Nah. TMNT, no I pizza benefits. Sure, I'll take it. Car no longer needs gas. No electrical equipment works in it anymore. No. Famous. Famous for something embarrassing? Mm, doesn't say I'm rich. I'll say no. So I'm almost godlike. Uh, no. On the internet, get free snacks, never go outside again. On the internet? What? No. What's that? A polyglot? I think that's what it's called. But then I don't know English, so no. These all seem very, yeah. Only use sign language. A rock off. Yeah, I'll take it. It's only when you put on a pair of Crocs. Yeah, I'll hit that button. No world hunger. No eyesight. No one will ever believe me. Hmm. Now, what does this mean? World hunger. Does that just mean nobody's starving to death anymore? I just become blind? If it means that, I'll hit the button. So I'll hit the button. Mm, no. No world hunger, always Brussels sprouts. Ugh. I don't know. All Apple products. Background's my worst fear. Yeah, just sell it. Would I die to save the world? No. I can read minds, but I can't read words. Uh, man, that is difficult. What would offer me greater utility in life? Just because I don't know, that would be more useful than reading. The strongest Bruce Lee, as if they are an Asian dubbed movie. Yeah, I'll take it. Read minds, everyone else in the world can too. Yeah, I'll take it. Manipulate the mind. Everyone that you look at appears naked. Mm, I don't know. Some of y'all need to keep the clothes on. Any item in the world, same item at a 10 speeds. Well, what does this mean? Like, if I want a plane, but it flies into me at, you know, Mach 5 or whatever, it's going to kill me. If I don't suffer injuries, but only pain, I would hit it. But I don't know, so I won't. Enormous chest hair. Yeah, take it. Teleport at will. No, not if someone's losing part of their life. Superpower. No, y'all, I love eating. I'm not going to do anything for that. Hmm. Perfect health. Another dimension. Have to protect giant walls every day for the rest of your life from giant human-eating monsters trying to eliminate humanity. That dimension needs your strength more than the one you are currently living in. Huh. I wonder what he could possibly mean by that. Am I going into Attack on Titan? That is not the world I want to be in. Y'all, I am disabled, and this is extremely enticing, but I am not going into Attack on Titan for that. So, I can't believe it, but they actually gave me one where I would say I will not in relation to being not disabled. Going adventures to the grocery store. Y'all, I love going to the grocery store. That's not even a joke. I like seeing all the stuff. I like cooking. I like food. I like eating food. I just like everything about food. That's easy. Angel wings. I can never surf with it. Yes. Speak to cats, but cannot pet them. Quick. Yeah, I'll hit the button. It's my dream video game. What does it matter who made it? Yeah, it's fine. The other universes don't matter. Ideal body from the neck down. Never be able to see your own face again. Yeah, that's fine. I'd happily trade my image of myself for a working body again. $10 every minute. I would lose the ability to lie. Smash. These nuts will get me the free food. Yeah, I'll take it. Wow, that's just like Hollywood. I'm not doing that. Never feel hot, get sick or die. I'm always no. I hate the cold more than about anything. Piece of cake every week. It's always chocolate. You don't get to choose. Yeah, that's fine. I can sell it. Best writer. Make typos. Yeah, that's fine. Well, I feel like that's probably enough. Um, just a simple video for you all to kind of get an idea of where my mind's at. I got another video planned. I recently went on vacation. We'll see if I can get that up soon. And but I hope you all enjoy this. A lot of these questions are absolute trash, not thought provoking at all. But I thought it was fun. So leave a like if you liked the video, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And I'll see you in the next video.